Hey bombshells, and welcome back to another video. So I am going to be getting all dolled up, and I am obviously taking you guys with me. So we're gonna be doing hair, nails, and all of that jazz. As you guys can see, I'm currently at the nail salon trying to figure out which nail color I'm finna do, and y'all know that be the hardest decision to make. So I decided to go with this red gel color, and I don't know, I was feeling very festive and very much in the holiday spirit.
Supposed to be thankful. Yes, it's all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, that's to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's that was with the friends that they come to me, Lord, one time, things sit down in a class.
Moving on to nails, you guys, look at how much my nails grew out. Like, it was definitely time to get them done. It was actually overdue, but I was so in love with this black and white design, but it was time to get them changed. So I was kind of debating if I wanted to cut my nails down a little bit shorter, being that they've grown out so much, but I kind of decided to leave it at the length that it was at. So this is what the nail color looked like, and I was just so in love. It's definitely giving Christmas holiday vibe. So I'm at my hair appointment, and she already started on my hair, and my hair is very thick, so I was so impressed as to how flat and sleek she got my hair to stay in this ponytail. Like, it really looked like I got a perm. And send me to tell you my story. That's how blessings upon me, and that's how I'm gonna give him the top. I'm delighted. You know, some of us are ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's that was with the friends, but they come to me, Lord, one time. Sit down in a class, I'm important. Only sit the road, and make one with you.
I'm about to act bad tonight.
Yes. I love it.
Yeah, we give
So as you guys can see, I was definitely in love with my hair, and the service was just overall amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.